This is the elevator at the Johnstown City Hall in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. Look at this beautiful old building. It's been a little renovated though. This is either this is from the 80s jail. It's either an Eastern or Reliance. Definitely not original to this old building. Eastern. 80s jail. I don't think I've ever seen Eastern use 80s jail. Just as Eastern doesn't say like elevator service or whatever they normally put after. It's a very slow elevator. Here, 2. Back down to 1. Elevator being service old signs, no phone, wiring. It's a basic red elevator. It's from the 80s. Sometimes there's no permit number, so I don't know when it was installed. Hoping for something older, but oh wow. About a 1. Of course, it's an Eastern of some sort.